Oh, oh. There's too many different spirits within me. A personality's constantly shifting. I'm the most humble but act different. Next minute, I'll admit it, I'm twisted. Tell me to act innocent on my living sisters, I'll kill it. On the TV, I kill it. When you meet me, I kill it. Dead ass until the point we get to speaking, I kill it. Looks are deceiving, no kidding. They make a fool of you, kid. In life you only as real as your jewelry, kid. But we all have our days and we all have our ways. Different character traits, we all have a part to play. We all got something to say. A piece of me I can share. The rest of me I'm ashamed to show. I pretend it ain't there. So I pretend to be open, I pretend to be clear to the piece of you that's probably just pretending to care. When there's a piece of you judging me, I can hear it in there, hiding from a piece of me that a piece of you fears. Ooh, ooh. Words that fly right out my mouth are not as good as they sound. You pick it up where I put it down. I'm not as good as you think, I'm not as good as you think. You're just another one down, you're just another one down. Yeah. You have to see where I'm coming from to get what I'm gunning for. I'd have to open up my heart and show you a couple swords, but until you uncover yours, I'm overprotective with that. I won't let you touch the soul, I won't let you judge the core. I'm sensitive, I know betrayal like I know my siblings. Like an insecure girlfriend knows a hickey, so it's hard to know which person to trust. So when you ask me about the personal stuff, my response is always good as scripted. I choose to trust, I don't owe it to no one. Figured I might just be better off as a loner. This crazy world's getting colder and colder. I had to learn to dress my persona. I had to put him in a happy suit. Too many told me stay humble, that's all we ask of you. I'm learning life now and it feels like I'm back at school. Somebody should have told me being human needed practice too.